This video is one of a series on Files, Aspera's content sharing and file transfer application. In this tutorial, we'll look at sending and receiving content using an Aspera Files Dropbox. For sending to an individual user or group, have a look at the companion video. To start, let me highlight a key point about the difference between sending content and sharing content. When you send content in a digital package, Files creates a copy of the source materials to send to your recipients, just like attaching content to an email. The content you send or receive in a digital package is a copy of the source content, wherever that may reside. Once you send content, you cannot modify the copy you sent. After you send the copy, changes you make to the source content do not affect the copy. Similarly, any changes the recipient makes to content you've sent does not change the source content. Sharing content, on the other hand, does not create a separate copy. Rather, when you share content with someone, you give them access to the exact same materials you have access to. If they make changes to the content you've shared, that content is changed at the source. So keep this distinction in mind and have a look at the tutorial on sharing content using Files. A Files Dropbox is like an email distribution list in that, by addressing a package to a Dropbox, all Dropbox members have access to the package you send. You can have one or more permissions to a given Dropbox. You can submit or send to a Dropbox. You can receive content submitted to it, or you can invite others to send content to the Dropbox. Click here in the top banner to see Dropboxes you have membership in. Click Submit to open the new package form immediately, already addressed to the Dropbox you selected. If you don't see the Submit link, you don't have that permission to this Dropbox. Or click the Dropbox name to open it and see your inbox for this Dropbox. If you don't have an inbox, that means you don't have receive permission to this Dropbox. So, presuming you do have submit permission to this Dropbox, click Submit to open the form. Give the package a name. The following fields are metadata fields configured by your Files administrator for your Dropbox workflow's specific needs. Add data to these fields as appropriate. Now, attach content, which you can do in several ways. You can drag files and folders from the workspace, navigating into your content tree as necessary, and drop them into the form. You can drag files and folders from the local desktop. You can click the file or the folder icons to browse for content to add. You can open a received, sent, or archived package from your packages list or from a Dropbox and drag content into the form, whether or not you've previously downloaded that content. Note that you cannot drag an entire folder that's been shared with you into the form. Instead, you must open the folder and add the contents to the form individually, rather than adding the entire folder as one item. Select the Encryption at Rest option if you need this content to be encrypted at the remote end. For more on encryption at rest, check out the FastSpecs video on this topic. When you are ready, click Send, and your digital package is on its way. Once you start the transfer, you can monitor it in the Transfers panel, pause the transfer and resume it if necessary. Click this icon to open the folder containing the transferred contents. Check the Files Overview video for more details on the Transfer Monitor. Now let's look at the Dropbox's view. Your inbox is the list of packages you've received as a member of this Dropbox. For each one, you can see who sent it, the number of items and the total size of the package, and of course, the date you received it. Click the row to open the package and view details. From here, you can see specific contents and navigate into package content just like in your home folder. You can download the entire package, download a single item, or select and download several items. In the summary panel to the right, you can see a number of details about the transfer of this package, including the transfer rate, and which of the recipients have downloaded content from the package, in full or in part. You also have the option to move content into your home folder without having to download it from the package first. Click the split pane icon to display both the package contents and your home folder content side by side, and simply drag the content from the package to the location in your home folder that you intend. Now return to your Dropbox list by clicking here. You can right-click any row to download the entire package or to archive it and remove it from this list. Taking a quick look at your sent list, you'll see it's very similar to the inbox, with much of the same info and functionality. Here are your archived packages. Right-click to download or to unarchive, which returns this package to your inbox. And here are deleted packages. Each listing shows the person who deleted it, typically either the sender or the admin, or the policy under which the package expired and was therefore deleted. That's a quick look at sending and receiving digital packages using an Aspera Files Dropbox. You can find all the Files video tutorials and the complete written user docs in the Files Help Center. And thank you for your interest in Aspera products.